2022 AMG GT43. Got a muffler still on there. No muffy D's on this one. Just did a midsection on this thing. Deleted the resonator. Just a little bit more noise, nothing too crazy. Should sound pretty sweet. It's got the valve control mufflers in the back. The valve systems for these cars are usually about $3,000. We're not trying to spend that kind of money right now. Just amplify the stock tone, get a little bit more sound, a little bit more pops and bangs. Amplify the tone to the, like I said, stock mufflers, which are already valve controlled. This car is a turbo vehicle. Let me show you what we did real quick, guys. We got rid of this resonator. It was a big resonator. It was kind of awkward, square shaped. Like as you guys can see, it's kind of boxy. So we just extend the pipe a little bit, run it to the round section, and then basically run a 3-inch piece of stainless and leave everything else. Like I said, mufflers in the rear. And then you got the AMG GT grill, which everybody loves. It's the AMG GT Panamera grill right here. As you can see, AMG. See that right there? It's a 43, but still sounds good, and it's still an AMG. I'm gonna drop it right now, show you guys the interior, give you guys a couple revs. Tell me what you guys think. This is the interior of the AMG GT. You can't ask for much more out of an interior out of cars like these. I mean, like look at this. You got everything. You got buttons everywhere. You got sport, comfort, individual, sport plus plus, sport plus plus plus, and no race mode. But AMG Dynamics. You want to zoom in on that, Jay? You see that right there? It says AMG Dynamics. You can actually switch these out right here to get different buttons, which is pretty sick. See that? Got suspension, got auto start, got the rear wing. This seems crazy. I mean, like double dash head unit. I mean, it's awesome, bro. This interior is just sick. Got the glass roof. I don't know if you guys could see that, but double glass roof. Sick. I mean, AMG kills it. Beamers don't got much on the interiors. The new ones, the 2024s, are alright, but these been looking like this for 4 years now, guys. Come on. BMW's got to step it up. If you ask me, AMG over M any day of the week, guys. Just like, look at this. Amazing. But yeah, so AMG GT43 sounds good, looks good. Cheap modifications for your high-end cars. Let us know, guys. We can do pretty much anything you want. If you just want a little bit more sound, you don't want to break the bank, you don't want to buy a full system, we got you. Resonator deletes, muffler deletes, custom systems, even, you know, downpipes, catted preferably, and for the most part, more noise, you know, without breaking the bank. You don't got to spend $2,000. Just call G Exhaust, call G directly. This guy, all right, this guy will hook you up on a cheap modification for your high-end car. So even if you have an M, we don't discriminate. We do M's all day. We do M5s, resonator deletes. Again, the systems for these cars are about $3,000. Do not need to spend that kind of money, guys. Come see us. Give us a call. GExhaust.com, GExhaust Davey, GExhaust Oakland. GExhaust out, guys.